If you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Check out the size of this. This would have to have taken so long to paint. It looks amazing, and you really have to come here for yourself just to realize the size. It is huge. So as you can see, we're down at Horsham's Silo Art. Check this out, it's absolutely huge. And then on top of that, you've got the Black Hockey behind me on this building. How amazing is this? And you can come down here, it's in the middle of Horsham, and there's so many of these around this region. So definitely the place to see all these, but this looks fantastic. So this tells you all about it. So you can see here, it all lit up at night, glowing. And then down here is the bottom part here, has got the glow paint on it as well. And then you can actually use your phone to write messages and it will glow in the dark for a little while. And you could trace around your friends and family or draw a love heart. But yeah, how cool is that? Anyway, we might have to come back here tonight. Okay, so we're stopping at a few on the way home. We're here at another silo in Nullawil. So let's check this one out. I can't believe we kids keep coming upon them. What a great trip home. It's keeping us entertained anyway. All right, let's have a look at this one. This looks absolutely fantastic, and it was only just finished. So we're probably one of the few people who have set our eyes on it so far. So you definitely have to check this out if you come past Sea Lake. But how cool is this? And it's huge. It's so big compared to the ones that just have one or two. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a little one, 8. How cool is that? Anyway, let's hit the road and go have some lunch. So we're back at the solo art. I thought I'd have to definitely come back to show Hudson and Jen this because it's absolutely amazing and it's huge. So let's go check it out. Well guys, that's it for this episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do go like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. And guys, please leave a comment down there. We answer back to everybody. So get down there if you've got any questions, we can answer them. And until next Sunday, we will see you then. Thanks guys.